We'll guide you through how to download and install the WhatsApp mobile app. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this whether you use an iPhone or an Android. I'm explaining it for both of them and keeping this guide broad. WhatsApp is a messaging service. It's really good because you can go and use the internet to go and send messages. So it's really useful and it's going to be a great app to go and have. So what we need to do is go and find the store for our phone. On an Android, you're going to look for the Play Store. You can swipe up and go and search for it. On an iPhone, you're using the App Store. So you can find that. That'll be on the home screen as well. So you want to go and open it up like so. Now what you can do is go and find the search at the bottom. It's at the bottom on an iPhone as well. Press search at the top and we can go and type in WhatsApp. And we can go and tap on it. And then when you find WhatsApp, you can press install to the right. On an iPhone, it will go and say get. Now go and wait for it to go and download. It shouldn't take long. And it will go and install as well. When it goes and finishes, that cancel is going to go and change to open. And it will also go and be on our phone as well. You can see it now says open there. And if we come out of here, we can go and swipe up. We can then go and find it here. And you can tap on it and you can then go and set up your account. It will guide you through that and go and get using it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.